when my world was dark and blue. I know the only one who rescued me was you. Close your eyes, let me tell you all the reasons why you're never gonna have to cry, because you're one.
I think we found the truck. Yeah?
Yes.
Justin got home really late last night, so he's still sleeping. Sorry. It is like 5:30 in the morning. Why am I awake at 5:30 in the morning on a Saturday? Because my kids. Why? Who wants to be awake at 5:30 on a Saturday? Like, go back to bed. Go. We get up at 5:30 Monday through Friday. You can sleep in. I don't want to be awake right now. But they're playing with Play-Doh. So, I think I'm gonna go get me and Justin some coffee here in a little bit. I made coffee, but we've been out of creamer for like 2 days, and I've just been using milk, which has been fine, but I made the coffee so strong last night that I can't even drink it. And I like strong coffee, but this is like way too strong. So I need something else. So I think I might go. And plus I have a Starbucks gift card, and Starbucks is right down the street. So I may go do that before he wakes up. And then I found a new hiking thing that I want to go do today. And Justin found a truck that he wants to go look at. So we're going to do those today. He's really excited about the truck because he's been struggling finding a truck that is within our budget but will do what we want it to do. So he's been looking here where me and the kids are and where he's working at, and then everywhere in between. And 5:30, guys. 5:30.
Trucks are built stronger, so we need to go.
What do you think?
It is big.
It is big. I have a ton of room up here. The kids have a ton of leg room. What do you guys think?
I love it. I love it.
Um,
I want it. If I was dad, I would totally trade the car.
I think we found
Yeah, if I was
the
dad,
truck.
I would totally trade
Yeah?
this car.
Yes. Took a lot of work to
I
find it.
know. A lot of searching.
Probably spent about altogether at least 30 hours.
Yeah.
Just searching and talking to people.
And we've looked and he's looked in so many different places too, like
States.
different states and different towns, and he was willing to travel a little bit to find one, and we found this one right here in the town that we live in. So it's kind of working out perfectly. And it's like a blue color, so I like the outside. Kind of matches your car. Run good?
It does. I want to test out the four-wheel drive.
Drive, Dad.
Oh, I thought you were about to. Yeah, I'm gonna have to upgrade that.
Okay, let's get down and go.
I like this.
Yeah, it's like a fast one, right? Yeah.
This is amazing. This is the best car ever. I'm so excited now.
They're doing what?
The human male challenge, kinda. But instead of they're gonna actually get milk, it's gonna sit in here for a lot of hours.
Okay, but I don't like the hole. Not. Is there a hole in this box?
Yeah.
Where? Yeah, it needs to be open.
Okay.
So, what? What are you doing in there? You're hiding? But can you put your foot down? Are you reading a book?
No, I'm just looking at it.
You're just looking at it?
Yeah. I'm eating.
Can you put your foot in there so I can see? Thank you. You got a flashlight and a book? That's a cool little reading spot.
Ethan gave me a bar. What? If we were to have a milk, they're gonna need food.
All right. Have fun in there.
Okay.
Okay. Who's in this
I
one?
gave them each a couple carrots. The hose on the outside.
Where's the window?
Yeah, it's a small one. It's a small one.
Hey, Lou. What are you doing in there? You reading a book?
And we even got snacks. I know. Dad already told Mom.
I think your hole needs to be a little bit bigger, girlfriend.
Can you cut it? I can
Look at
Have bars.
Can you cut it?
Ethan's gonna do it for you. What are you reading a book?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And I'm eating a carrot.
And you're eating a carrot?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I got a flashlight.
Laundry galore. It's almost all folded though. Well, this hung up. And all that needs to be washed. This guy.
Socks.
We are missing socks. We lose socks so much.
Are you starting or am I starting?
You start.
Okay, so yesterday, we went to go look at a truck. I've been doing a lot of research, like a ton of research, and it drives her crazy how much I put into it. But I'm trading in a 1-year-old car with like 35,000 miles for a truck that's gonna be, taking our house around places. So I was trying to find the right house or the right truck, reliable, something that I can feel comfortable with, getting rid of the newer car that has the warranty, all that stuff. It took a couple weeks. It took a lot of patience from this one, but we found it. We as soon as we pulled up and they backed it out, it was almost like an instant yes. It was in good condition, relatively low miles for the truck. But around here, Jacksonville, it's really hard to find trucks with 4-wheel drive. Flat lanes around here, so it does have 4-wheel drive. And it actually got something really cool that neither of us have ever seen. It's got like a step that folds out of the tailgate.
I took video of it, so it'll be in this video.
And we thought that was pretty cool. We took it for a test drive. We put it in 4-wheel drive low, and then this one's the country girl. She should know. I've never had a truck, drove a truck, so when I put it in 4-wheel drive low, it started like shaking real bad, and I thought, crap, we're not gonna be able to do it. But I guess that's kind of normal for that truck. Her mom and dad have one of those trucks, and so we asked them, and they said it was normal.
So now that we have our truck, what's our next move?
To drive all the way up to Georgia after we sweet talk
Which is
the
not that
dealership.
far.
It's like 5 hours away.
Not that far.
Listen, I drive like 1,000 miles a week, so driving another 5 hours, that's a lot for me. But I'm gonna try and sweet talk a dealership up there so we can get the camper that we want for the price that we want. The price sticker that they have is like $5,000 over our out the door budget, so I'm pretty sure that I can.
Not quite 5. It's more like 4.
Yeah,
So
we should be able to get them down.
We're gonna do that
We
this
have our
week.
camper.
And then next week should be a long weekend, so he'll be home next weekend, hopefully for 3, maybe 4 days. Yeah, because he leaves again in like an hour.
Yeah.
It was a short weekend.
And then the next weekend I'll have 4 days off. I'll be home for 4 days.
And this week we put in our 30-day notice for this house because we rent this house, so we have to put in our notice for that. And then I think we're gonna park the camper right out front so we can start moving stuff in. And then when our 30 days notice is up, we're gonna do this.
I'm excited. I'm way excited.
I'm so nervous. Like, I didn't think that. I've been wanting to do this for over 2 years now, right? Has it been that long?
About 3 now. Year after we moved in to the last house.
Yeah. So
3 years.
I've been wanting to do this for so long, but now that it's like finally happening and it's reality, I'm scared and nervous.
Which is typical. She wants, and then she gets it and she's like, oh.
I still want to do it. I'm just nervous. But we're not going to be traveling full time. We're going to be stationary here where we live and traveling as much as we can.
Weekends.
On long weekends and summer times and stuff like that. For now.
7 more years.
So, yay.
Yay.